Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Stock Market with your weekly oil analysis, recorded on Tuesday, 5th of March, New York time. Last week I expected oil to keep going down. It did. My lower target for the week was 89.7, price reached down to 89.35. I think within this minor degree third wave, we have minute wave 1 complete, and I'll be expecting choppy, overlapping upwards movement for 5 or so sessions for the week, for minute wave 2 probably to end about the 0.618 Fibonacci ratio of minute wave 1, about 94.84. Wave 2 can't move beyond the start of 1, above 98.24. There's some nice Fibonacci relationships within minute wave 1. At this stage, I can't tell what structure is going to unfold for minute wave 2. I'll be expecting it's most likely to be a relatively deep zigzag correction, probably lasting at least 5 sessions, if not longer. When it's done, we'll expect an increase in downwards momentum as the middle of a third wave begins. Let's have a look at this on the hourly chart, with the end of minute wave 1 down here. There's this point down here. So my target of 89.7 was actually for minuet wave 3 within minute 1. But this structure to the downside and the end of minuet wave 3 certainly looks like a complete 5 here, with a sideways triangle for a 4th wave and another 5 wave impulse complete down here. When we draw a trend channel around the downwards movement on the daily chart from the lows of minuet wave 1 to 3 with a copy on the high of 2, we have this really typical 5th wave overshoot, which is typical for commodities. When this channel is breached with upwards movement, we'll have some confirmation that minute wave 1 is over and minute wave 2 is underway. Although this arrow shows a sharp upwards movement, I'm not actually expecting sharp upwards movement. I'm expecting lots of choppy, overlapping, sideways trending upwards movement to about 94.84, that target at least a week away. So last week I expected oil to move lower. It did. It reached just below the target. This week I'm expecting it to move higher, but not in a clean upwards movement, lots of choppy, overlapping upwards movement for the week. That's all for me today with your oil analysis, and I hope that everyone's having a fabulous day.